And again, another fighter, Shravani Goleskar, fighting from the red corner for her second fight of the day.
Both fighters are quick. Shravani fighting a second fight, but she looks like she's fighting the first one with all the energy she's bringing into this fight.
Very energetic start to the round, indeed Perez. काफी इंटेंस राउंड चालू हुआ है ये. अब दोनों फाइटर्स ने एक दूसरे एक्सचेंज करके शायद एक दूसरे गेज करने की कोशिश की है और फाइनली थोड़ा डिस्टेंस बना के रखा है. Good evasions from Shravani, but her opponent is also trying to step into her range and like get back at her.
Prasad Kawale.
ऊपर की तरफ
Both the fighters locking horns, brawling with each other, and Shravani is getting a countdown from referee Ashish Rane because she got cornered and did not fight back. But she is back in the game again, willing to fight and starts with a good kick. But that went for a miss. Shravani again is shelling up, but saved by the bell. What do you think, Perez? Shravani was again shelling up. If her opponent keeps this up, she might end up getting a second countdown.
Yes, Mana, well said. I think at the start, Shravani came on guns blazing. She's little fatigued at the end, but her opponent is playing a good game, waiting for all the right opportunities, not overcommitting every punch. And आप अगर देखे रहेंगे तो we were close to the bout right now. जब काउंटडाउन से पहले दो ब्रिलियंट नी किक कनेक्ट हुए श्रावणी को, that is what she closed up and that what leads to the countdown. अभी क्या ब्लू कॉर्नर वापस नी किक्स मारेंगे? लेट्स सी द सेकंड राउंड. Both the fighters giving them space.
Clean punches, but जब पेरेस होल्ड और क्लिंचिंग की बात आ रही है, दोनों प्लेयर्स काफी ज्यादा होल्ड कर रहे हैं एंड रेफरी को बार बार सेपरेट करना पड़ा दोनों प्लेयर्स को. And in the second round, Shravani again gets a countdown, but it does not seem like she is down. She's ready to fight still, but again,
just the way of defending. Referee has a tough spot, in a tough spot कि मैच को play on करने दे या रोके.
But again, Shravani, as you can see, is shelling up constantly. While brawling,
But Shravani has to escape from that point.
Shravani has to escape, and that is a TKO for Saif fighting from the blue corner.
It's okay. It was the second fight of Shravani's.
Shravani gave it her all, but again, she needs to work on her brawl skills. She needs to work on brawling as well. She's constantly shelling up against her opponent when she's getting cornered up. So she needs to get that up in the next game. उसके जो हिट्स थे वो काफ़ी क्लीनली लैंड हुए, जिसकी वजह से हिज ओपोनेंट वाज स्टन्ड फॉर अ व्हाइल.
Right. So it was a great call by our referee also.